I once had a friend named Theo who claimed his idea of vintage travel was binge-watching Route 66 reruns in a beanbag. Then I rolled into town with this 1959 Volkswagen Type 2 and a 1958 Eriba Puck camper trailer in tow. And suddenly, Theo was Googling how to grow a handlebar mustache and looking up flights to Greece. I believe this is more than just a restored camper duo. It's a European love story on wheels. And yes, it's as classy as espresso in a porcelain cup at a roadside vineyard. Now, this 11-window VW bus was born March 18, 1959, and it's been through a glorious resurrection. Mango green and seagull gray outside, caramel brown vinyl with white piping inside. It's like driving a pistachio gelato. Under the rear lid, there's a 1,300cc air-cooled flat 4 that's been overhauled and paired with a 4-speed manual transaxle. It rides on 15-inch steel wheels with VW chrome hubcaps and Continental Contivan contact rubber. Power? Not much. Style? Off the charts. Braking? Classic 4-wheel drums. Plan accordingly. Inside, you get 3 rows of bench seats, a white dashboard, Wolfsburg Crest steering wheel, and a 5-digit odometer showing 18,000 miles. Probably more like who knows, but who cares when you're grinning this hard? Now let's talk about the 1958 Eriba Puck, the 6th unit ever built by Heimer. This tiny trailer got a makeover to match the bus, complete with side windows, pop-up roof, scissor-braced ceiling, and Euro-style charm for days. There's a table that folds into a bed, bench seating, storage cabinet, European power sockets, and even an overhead light that gives off the same glow as your ex's stare when you said, "Trust me, this thing can handle mountain roads." And yes, the whole package includes a Volkswagen Classic Parts certificate, refurbishment photos, a removed original 1200cc engine, like a historical appendix, and even free shipping to New York or anywhere in Europe. Asking price? Available upon inquiry, but you can expect it to land somewhere above 55,000 euros, around $59,000 USD for the pair, based on current collector values. And I think it's worth every nostalgic euro. As for the trailer, good luck finding another. This is one for the legends. So if you're ready to swap GPS for a compass and playlists for a dashboard-mounted map, this 1959 VW and Eriba pair are calling. And if you want to help Camp Avto keep finding historic rigs that confuse and delight your neighbors, become a channel sponsor for just $1. The link is under the video, right next to the vintage ashtray where Theo keeps his regrets. We'll see you on the road or parked awkwardly in a farmer's field wondering how to say tow truck in Greek.